Hey guys, how are you? I hope you all are fine and spending the good day with the great condition of your health. Welcome back to my YouTube channel and I am here with my another video. This video is about some mixed type of footwear which looks really beautiful and really nice. And as you see, this one is also a very beautiful slipper. It looks really nice. It's in a red and that kind of color. And watch this video till the end, then you will get some ideas about different kind of footwears that can help you to upgrade the collection of your footwears and make it more interesting, more beautiful and more pretty. And the world of footwear is incredibly diverse, offering a vast array of styles to suit various occasions and preferences, from sleek stilettos that add a touch of glamour to formal events to rugged boots that provide protection and support for outdoor adventures. The options are endless. Sneakers and athletic shoes are designed for performance and comfort, while loafer and dress shoes are ideal for professional settings. Sandals and flip-flops are perfect for warm weather, allowing feet to breathe and relax, while pellet flat and wedge offer a stylish and comfortable alternative for everyday wear. With so many styles available, individuals can express their personal taste and adapt to different settings, making footwear an essential aspect of daily life and self-expression. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So today's video is about to end. Bye bye and take care. See you in the next YouTube video. Bye bye.